In this video, I'm going to show you how you can choose to ignore someone's messages on Facebook Messenger. So what this will do is it will allow you to choose to ignore a certain person's messages, and if you choose to do this, their messages in the future will go into your spam folder. So how you can do this is first of all open up your Messenger app. Once you open up Messenger, you will obviously be on this page here, and now you need to select the person or the chat that you want to go ahead and ignore. So if I click on this top one here, what that will do is it will bring you to the chat, and from here you can click on the eye in the top right hand corner of your screen. Once you click on that, you now need to scroll down until you find ignore messages. As you can see near the bottom, just above block, there is an option now for ignore messages. If you click on this, it will bring up this pop-up here, and it says you won't be notified when Riot messages you directly, and the conversations will now be moved to spam. So if you are happy with this, all you simply need to do is click on the ignore button. Once you click on ignore, as you can see, this conversation has now been moved to spam. So it's just that simple to ignore someone's messages on Facebook Messenger, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.